really love the longs here. We just did make a little bit of a lower low, new low of day on SPY. This is probably backtest of IB. It's probably still a short for the gap fill lower. You do have two gap fills to think about on SPY. You have previous day's close, and then you have the after hours one down here. What does everyone trade on? I just use Robinhood and maybe a little bit of TradingView to get another perspective on charts. I'm a mobile user. When I traded options, I used to execute on my phone some. I could do it on the phone and be okay. That's what like KC does a lot of that. But then just charts and does everything else. But to me, it was much easier on desktop. Like I used to trade a lot of options on Webull. Robinhood, I don't like trying to like trade on Robinhood, like actually trade. But since I'm doing futures, like it's Trade of 8 and Top Step X for me. I did open a public account to start trend, just playing around with that, just kind of learning it. It's not bad. The little AI stuff they have in there is pretty cool. A little birdie told me that there's going to be a robot at our event, by the way. I can't share any more details, but there's going to be an actual robot at our
It's gonna be legit.
Oh, dude, a robot?
I'm gonna ask it ES or NQ.
And it's not KC, even though he's tore his knees out enough to be a robot himself. Look at that smile! I got him on that one. That just flowed together so perfectly.
I am a cyborg from the waist down.
Commerce Department not moving forward with a ban on Chinese models. Let's see if I can find the full headline. Politico. Commerce Department is not moving forward on banning Chinese models at this time per person familiar. KC, what's up? How's your day been?
Good. I shorted Apple. That was about it.
Yeah.
The only two things that were interesting were Microsoft calls and Apple puts. So people in the Discord took Microsoft calls up like 600%, and then I took some Apple puts, still sitting in those. Other than that, I have not done much with the indices whatsoever.
Hey, Mexico is great. Honestly, our healthcare is better. And like 1/10 of the cost. Casey, I took two trades. I waited all morning. Not all morning, but I waited pretty far this morning. Whenever QQQ swept 669.50, I bought InQ at 923 average and traded it to previous day's high. Trims along the way, of course. And then I started shorting here. I think my average was around, like 74 or something like that average. Nice. And I closed it at 980. So I had one long, one short. The people that call me perma bear are confused. The people that call me perma bull are confused. So it's a good Monday.
I
just trade the chart.
Perma making money. That's about it. I mean,
yeah,
that's about it.
Perma raccoon over here. Give me that. Stole that shit. Vlad, I talk flax. I talk facts, Vlad.
Delicious.
Dude, I forgot to text you, Casey. I found HEB had the Velveeta stuff. I haven't had cheese dip in so long. I made cheese dip yesterday morning.
Oh, that sounds good.
Oh, dude, yes. I'm about to go heat some up here in just a minute.
I can't wait for football to start again because every Sunday, all we do is make way too much food and just
Oh, and it's always like you probably make some good wings and
yeah, dude.
like
Like every
barbecue. Oh,
appetizer or like main dish you could think of for like a Super Bowl party, we rotate
Yeah,
it. We
just
pick like five or
every Sunday
six.
you pick one or two.
Yeah, like we get like 5 or 6 different
Ooh.
sides and dishes that we can think of, and we do it Sunday. We start at like 2, and then we slowly just make each one and snack on it until like 5 or 6. And then the next week, just find another 5 or 6 different things, change out the dip, change out the main meal portion. Just straight freaking like what, 4? How many months is it? 4 or 5 months? Every Sunday. Football isn't for
You know what
another 4 years. That's the wrong football there, Robert.
You know what I'm craving? Like a buffalo chicken dip.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, dude, my mouth's like
Dude.
watering just thinking about it.
The main 3 that we make like a taco-ish bean dip, and then we make a buffalo chicken dip. But then my favorite one, it's a sausage. You get there's a specific you can get at Piggly Wiggly, and I'm trying to think of where else you can get it from. But it's a specific country ground sausage. And you cook and season that, and then you melt a whole block of Velveeta cheese, and then you get a can of the mild or hot, whatever you want, of the Rotel, and make that dip with the Tostito scoops. That is like the
Oh,
best fucking dip.
Dude, give me the
Oh.
but give me the Frito scoops. That's the only thing. Give me the Frito scoops. I need the corn scoops.
Those are so good too.
I like the Tostito scoops too, though. But
I like
I
the
used to-
Frito ones sometimes because they're a little bit more sturdy.
yeah, dude, yeah.
They
Dude, the
hold the
Tostitos
dip.
ones
They
break
hold
off
my
in the
big
dip.
old dip a little bit more. Yeah, that country sausage, block of Velveeta, some Rotel. That's a great dip right there. Three months until hockey. You know, I want to get into hockey.
No, you don't.
I want to go watch.
Oh, go! You got to go in person. If you go in person, you will enjoy it.
Well, yeah. So I mean, the Carolina Hurricanes is the stadium is 2 hours from my house.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you got to go to one of those.
I've always wanted to go.
Go watch them play like Pittsburgh or somebody.
That's who my uncle was supposed to play for, and he said no.
The bad thing was they don't have there's no Rotel here, so I had to like create my own. It came out okay, but
You don't have any Rotel in
there's
Mexico.
no Rotel. Rotel's not a thing.
I gotta ship you a freaking big old care package of Rotel and Taco
Oh,
Bell
Vita's
stuff.
not even a thing.
Oh, I'd leave the country. What do you mean?
But I just found it. Look, I've been here for almost 4 years, and I just found it for the first time at HEB, and it's like their branded version.
Wait. What about Amazon? Can you order shit like that off Amazon?
Yeah, you can't really order food internationally. It's just kind of a weird customs thing. Like I'll bring back like taco seasoning, shells, and stuff like that. But like cheese and dairy, anything like that, trying to like bring that through in a suitcase is
Yeah.
just not even worth it.
I don't know how you live there then. I couldn't do it.
Dude, have you seen all the other food that we have?
That is true.
Cheese dip is one of my favorite foods of all time. That
I had some cheese dip with some quesadilla tacos yesterday. That shit was good. And I tried my second margarita in my entire life. Because I'm not a huge margarita guy.
oh yeah?
But the Mexican restaurant I went to, it was good.
I've been home from Havasu for weeks now. I still haven't been able to drink tequila since. Just no, I can barely think about it.
Can't do it no more.
Not right now. I need to work back into that. There's no way I can. No.
Dude,
that trip ruined me, dude.
I've drank and partied a lot back in my day.
Yeah.
And only one, and I can handle alcohol. I've taken 12, 15 shots in a night and still function. I'm not passing out. I'll tell you what, one thing that did fuck me up and I actually got sick, it's the only time I've ever been sick off alcohol, it was Jose Cuervo.
Nice.
That was the one. It did it. I don't know what
Cuervo.
happened. Yeah, that was the one that did it for me.
He'll come and sneak up on you.
The
Nab you.
The
Snatch.
sickest I've ever been in my life was I was rotating shots of Fireball and Patron.
Oh.
So that's horrible.
The
Like
12 to
10
15
years ago.
shots in a night was Fireball for me.
That's what I think I was in that same ballpark, but half of them were Patron and half of them were Fireball.
Oh,
dude, I thought I was gonna die the next day.
Did you ever take shots of freaking Everclear?
Yeah.
Yes.
PGA.
That is rough. I was because we
made
were
it with
Fireball
cherries one time. We filled it with cherries.
Dude, gummy bears.
In there.
Yeah, soak them in gummy bears.
Yeah, dude, I did all the tricks back in the day, dude.
Out at the lake, it's all hot. You grab an Everclear cherry or an Everclear gummy bear. Oh.
Dude, then those gummy bears like swell up, you bite into it, and you're like, oh god, like squirts pure alcohol into your tonsils.
Yep. Hey, we literally, I've ran multiple cars off that shit. It's crazy.
That's awesome, dude. I'm not even gonna call him a buddy. It was a coworker that he had like a house party, and we went over to his house, and he was like everyone that walked in, he'd give him a shot, and it was like you thought it was vodka, and it was just PGA. It was just straight up like Everclear, like whatever. And just like, dude, you'd walk in and give you a double shot, dude. Just burn. Oh my god, I almost punched him. I almost punched him, and then I was like, you know, I kind of respect it. Just make people turn up as soon as they walk in your house. Like, okay, hey, do you want to be here or not? Like,
this is how you get in.
I kind of respected it. I was like, okay.
He did say my house, my rules kind of thing. So I mean, I get it.
But at least give a heads up, you know, like don't make me think I'm taking a shot of like some, you know, Tito's or something, and it's just like 5 times as.
Yeah, let me know first.
Who drinks Fireball? An 18-year-old kid in college in 2014.
Yeah.
The last time I touched Fireball was.
I hate Fireball.
Probably 10 years ago. Jaeger too.
And we weren't playing beer pong. We were playing shot pong. We were taking shots of Fireball every time we hit a cup.
Horrible.
Dude, I hated beer until I just was too competitive and got into beer pong. And then I was just, and I hated beer so much it made me even more competitive.
Moonshine, dude.
You didn't want to drink that shit.
I didn't want to drink the shit out of it because we actually when we played beer pong when I was younger, we actually put beer in the cups. We didn't do this bullshit like you take a sip.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
You knock that shit over enough times, and you don't want to waste the beer anymore. That's the issue. You'd rather waste a cup of water than waste your beer.
That was the main thing for me was the cleanup.
The cleanup is atrocious. I'll clean up.
People are gonna spill it anyway. Do it outside. We used to, you know what we used to do? We used to take a door off of off a closet or something, and that's what we do. If we didn't have a beer pong table, we just take a door off the hinges. Redneck shit, boy.
Say we got that shit, boys. Party's on.
Dude, I remember being outside the garage. We took off, like we were outside the garage of one of this girl's house. We took the door off of the closet in the garage and put it across. You know, like the workbench things, the little like what do they call them, sawhorse? You know, like where you like cut wood on. We laid it out across that, and we played beer pong out in the driveway.
Dude, we had like a our college room, we had 2 separate bedrooms. There was 2 people living in this one, 2 people in this one, but we shared a common room, like living room area,
Yeah.
and we all had the basic furniture that comes in your college room. You get your bed, then you have your desk, your nightstands, whatever it is. We took a desk from one of their rooms and a desk from one of our rooms, and we just put them right on freaking edge to edge with
Oh,
each
yeah.
other in the living room, and put our cups right on top of it, and we were just playing beer pong with our desk that they gave us.
Dude,
We never used them to actually study or do.
No, never used them to study.
Yeah, never. No.
One time we did we had like we used the countertop for one team, and then we had like a table for the other team, and they were like mixed heights too. We didn't care. We're just, hey, winner gets to choose their side. Do what you got to do. I also had a roommate in college that he was the brand ambassador for Red Bull. And so Red Bull would just send him tons of like packs of Red Bull, and he had like a fridge and everything. And his whole like job was just to give it away, like do little events and give it away. And so we just had unlimited Red Bull in our dorm room. Shout out to that guy. I wonder where I always think back, like, whatever happened to that guy? Only thing I'm trying to remember is Jason something. That's all I remember his name. And he would do this right here. He goes 666 with these 2 fingers. 666.
666. That's what.
There you go. Yeah, apparently nobody puts beer in the cups anymore. Like, dude, go to Sam's, buy the fucking 48 pack or whatever.
You know what we do?
Pack.
Nah.
For stock cup. Because stock cup, it's like less
Flip
spillage potential. Flip cup.
What's
this
stack?
the one where you flip? No, this is the one where you bounce the ping pong ball off the table into the cup full of beer, and then the one in the middle is the bitch cup, which you usually full of like bunch of alcohol, but we would just fill it like full of beer because that's all we had. So that one would be full of beer, and then all the other cups are like a quarter full, and you make it in, you drink it, you pass the cup. You know that one? No.
Yeah.
We ever played that one?
Beer pong has the bouncing aspect in it. So
true. It's very true.
Trick
we call
shot.
it Rage Cage. Great name. Great.
I just played King's Cup the other weekend.
King's Cup, is that where you like everyone pours their drink into one?
Yeah, you can do that.
And then you like you draw the cards or whatever.
And each card is a
I
different.
never played that one.
Yeah.
What you got to do. Yeah.
Yeah, 2 is you, 3 is me.
Yeah. 4 is
I don't-
4.
4 is the floor. You have to point to the floor.
5 is guys. 6 is chick.
Yeah. Well, there's another version of that too, but
Yeah.
7 was heaven, and you had to point up.
Yep.
7.
Eight.
One of them was
Heaven.
waterfall. One of them was waterfall, and you had to drink as long as the person next to you drank.
Yes.
Went all the way.
I did play this actually. I did play this.
I think it's the 10, right?
Yeah, or the jack, or one of the. The rule thing was pretty funny too, though.
Waterfall is
Dude.
Dude, I loved you. Give me
Ace.
was it the king? Was it the king or the ace?
eighth.
You got to put the rule on, and I'd be like, all right, every time I take a drink, Casey has to take a drink, and just
Yeah.
you just double up on somebody.
Dude, we have this stupid one we used to do every single time. Is it
Just
Oh,
put
no,
the
is
guy
it
on
the
cup and
what's-
take it off?
the queen? What's the queen card?
I don't remember. Like I remember
Queen
some of them,
card
but I haven't played
is
drinking games
questions.
in so long.
Ask someone a question that.
Oh yeah, and everything has to be a
ask someone
question.
else a
That
question.
I fucking hate that card.
Dude, I was good at that one because I would always throw something in just random that would like make your brain explode.
God, I hated that.
Queen was the rule. No, queen was question.
Mhm.
And then what we did like for the longest time was we'd put a beer in the middle, and you had to put every card you drew, you had to put underneath the tab, and whoever cracked it had to drink it.
Yeah.
Because like once you get to like 25, 30 cards underneath it, like it's gonna crack the seal, right? And then that person has to drink it.
they hold this?
The other one was you made a rule that like somebody can't talk unless they're like
Yeah.
called on or something. Oh, dude. Especially when somebody's drunk and they talk too
Speaking
much anyway.
privileges. Yeah, speaking
I would
privileges
always
have
pick
been
out the most
revoked.
annoying person and be like, all right, you can't say anything or you drink.
See if they can take this thing into low a day, or they buck this little intraday
Edward 40
downtrend.
hands. Yeah. I haven't done any like. Boy, it's been so long.
I just have some runners I'm sitting in short.
Damn, now I want a beer. I don't have any.
Sitting here talking about it, you're like, damn, beer.
It's not even noon yet.
Yeah, it's 10:40 a.m. for me.
Dude, I did go to I went to a 4-year-old birthday party Saturday. They rented out this whole thing and they had a bounce house and all this stuff for the kids. And I sat down, they have a full taco, like not a taco truck, but like people that basically do a taco truck. They came and set up and did all that. And then I like sit down and like the dad of it's from my son's school. One of the girls is turning 4, and the dad just kept coming by and he's like, "You want another adult beverage?" And he just keep handing beers. I was like, "Yes, I like this guy."
Savage.
And then they brought in the Huntrix, like demon hunters, whatever. The Casey, you know what I'm talking about? You guys watch that yet?
What is it?
The K-pop demon hunters, Huntrix, whatever they're called.
Oh, I've heard of it, but I've never watched or anything.
Oh, it's huge. It's huge down here too. But there was like they hired like a, I don't know, event. You know, like you hire a clown or like entertainment or whatever. They hired one. They were all dressed up as them, and they did this whole show for the kids, and they sang the songs with them and danced with them and stuff. It was actually pretty cool. We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Dude, low key, Golden's a banger. Mateo knows. Every parent in the chat that has kids that are like 5 to 7 years old, they know. My little soda pop. The show's not bad either, actually. Of all the kids' movies and stuff that I've watched. So it's on Netflix, I think. We've listened to the song so many times now, I don't even want to hear them anymore, but... Looking like a flusher, looking like a flusher.
Looking like a flusher.
The problem is there's nothing like really below here. So do you just long the bottom of the range? Gap fill SPX and long off this. 3.5-year-old keeps asking to listen to Golden. Yeah. Yeah. My son trying to tell Alexa to play Huntrix cracks me up because half the time she doesn't understand. Ooh, somebody just sold 95 lots here at the Lowe's.
Ooh.
Q's is busting it down, Tatiana.
Yeah, you're right on the gap fill though. That's the SPY has 2 gaps. You could say right here at previous day's close or another $1 lower, 80 cents lower. ES is right at a whole number here.
Midnight open retest at 898. We already hit that this morning. See if we go to low a day. 73.25.
I just don't see a like big reason for us to fall apart here. But no trade for me right now. We'll see how it reacts down here. You boys are flying in on Sunday, right? Both of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the morning.
Almost bought some shoes at Sam's yesterday. They weren't bad. They were like Nautica or something, but they looked pretty nice. Or they weren't Nautica. What brand were they? So they were pretty comfortable though. I actually tried them on. I was like, yeah.
I haven't done any like.
Post some clips of our alcoholism.
I just have.
Go.
That's not me.
Tesla.
Who is that?
That's a funny looking chart.
Frank?
Yeah, now I want a beer.
Watching our stream like 10 minutes behind.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I was in the car.
No, you're good.
No, you're good. Nice bounce from that little
Give me,
low we made previously.
well, it's the same spot.
Tesla had like 5 or 6 green Ripper candles straight in a row, hit the exact 10 a.m. wick, and then sold off the new lows.
Tesla looks not good.
No,
I said this morning it looked like 370s, 371.
it broke the daily trend line. So
Yeah, that's what I looked at. I was like, okay, well, next support.
this daily is just fully engulfing the previous one. The weekly candle didn't close that great either. So I think we can probably just sell down another
Sugar, how you get so fly?
$10-12 this week if it holds under 378.
Worse, it's super choppy today. Tomorrow's probably going to be the same.
I know, and they didn't fill me on my freaking Iron Condor, which would have been easy money.
Damn.
Which-
Internals are still. Actually, NASDAQ internals have improved. So both internals have improved a little bit. Frank is driving F-150. Now he drives. Hey, juice box! Go get me a juice box!
Juice box guy.
Dude, I want to watch that movie. Kicking and Screaming. It was one of my favorite movies. I hadn't seen it in so long. Hey, juice box! He like looks over at the parents. He's like, you know what? Tuck your shirt in. Have some respect. But you know what? Go ahead, take a lap. You see that dad just hitting a lap around the field?
I'm surprised they actually never made a Step Brothers 2.
Step Brothers 2?
Yeah. I'm
I feel like-
surprised they didn't make one.
I'm glad they didn't. There's
I felt
there's
like it
movies that they
wouldn't be
shouldn't. Yeah. There's movies that they shouldn't. I mean, what would they do? They would make a, where they're both like actually living like they're grown up now or something. Like I don't even know how they would spin the story.
It would be weird.
Frank has the RR Rolls Royce Cullinan. think Frank drives a Denali or an AT4 or something like that. That would. Frank's definitely a GM guy because he's a
Yeah, I
smart
have.
guy.
Mine's not a Denali, but it's just underneath it.
Like high
You beat the
country or
shit out of
something.
it.
Yeah, well, you need it. I mean, real estate, you got to have something like that. Something that's nice, but still, you know, you got to use it. Boris, you would know that they made a Step Brothers Triple X version. You and Rooster probably watched that together. Just a goon off. Anybody else seeing a big bear flag on the 1 and 4 hour NQ QQQ? Let's take a look at the 1 hour. I do see what you're talking about. Let me hide. You're looking at this right here. I see that 100%. Bear flag, back test of these lows. Yeah, I mean, you swept these lows down here. You're back testing this and this and this. And you are somewhat forming a little bear flag. Is anyone expecting a new low day on NQ?
It's where the rest of my targets are.
I don't know that I'm expecting it, but I would be looking for that more likely than probably anything else.
I don't know. I'm trailing at these most recent highs, so if we pop up, I'm getting the hell out of the rest of this.
The problem I have is we're just like, there is support right here. There's NFPs right here. It doesn't feel like it wants to roll over. And the internals are decent. Semis are, you know, holding in. Several of your Mag 7s are doing pretty good. Look, big bounce on NVIDIA. Microsoft's still very strong. Broadcom's still strong.
Yeah, I got stopped in profit.
What invalidates the flag if it breaks upside? The only thing that would validate a flag, period, is a break of either side. This book map's messy. There's just a little bit of liquidity on both sides here. Only real size is at the low 900. There's nothing really above us either. And the Gex heat maps, you're just hanging on to the last pieces of positive gamma on QQQ. Everything's pretty much below you on SPX.
What the hell? Oh, they both say sell. That's why. That's buy.
SPX.
That's what.
I mean, there's buyers present at the bottom of the range again. Same thing on NQ, so pretty range bound look. Also worth noting, the low of day is basically your 50-day moving average, chopping around the 20. QQQ right on this whole number. Chop,
So
chop.
far, getting a pop.
Yeah, somebody in the chat was saying, "Sugar, sugar, how you get so fine?"
I'm long. So far. I got a swang on. I put my swang on.
Hop up out the bed. Put my chanclas on. Take a look in the mirror. Count away. Yeah. Me vale madre.
I took these on Friday. I'm still in them. I got plenty of time. I haven't even done anything with these ones yet.
It's Chingo Bling Culero. Puro Gucci bandana.
Gucci down to the socks.
Gucci, Gucci.
Baby.
Didn't he say? Does he say Gucci or Coochie?
Gucci.
I always thought he said Coochie.
Gucci?
Like the brand Coochie?
That's a brand?
Yeah.
Shit, I thought it was Gucci. I don't fucking know.
Coochie like the knit, like Australian brand or something?
Let me look up the lyrics.
Coochie down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa, baby.
Coogi. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Coochie.
Gucci.
It's a different brand.
Holy shit, that's an expensive clothing line.
You can buy them on Temu for way cheaper.
Bro, this crew neck $600. But these look like something that you would get from Goodwill.
All I remember is they're like, it's that, I can picture the pattern. Like knit with all the different colors.
Mm-hmm.
And I just remember they were like $300, like,
Yeah.
yeah.
They're from Australia.
I'm pretty sure that's what Notorious B.I.G. wore back in the day. Oh, yeah. So be more says.
That would make sense.
Oh, imagine KC in a full Coochie kit ripping the vet.
Oh,
Just
Maybe-
drip.
maybe
Am I
one
dripping?
day.
Remember when the Migos went on
I'm tripping.
the Migos went with James Corden on that, like, where they ride around the Range
Yeah.
Rover or whatever? Am I dripping? That was the funniest part. They went in there like trying on the clothes. He's like, "Am I dripping?" Mama.
ZS looks good. I like it.
See, look at that, guys. If you weren't here getting chopped up in trades, you learned something today.
You learned what
Learned about
Coogi
Coogi.
is.
And I don't even know that much about fashion. I just know song lyrics, I guess.
Sounds like the name of a dog. Coogi. I met the best dog the other day. I wish I could have taken him home.
That's Corgi. Corgi. Say it ain't so. NYG, don't get me started on Weezer again. If you want to destroy my sweater, whoa, whoa, whoa. Pull this thread as I walk away. Ooh, ooh, pop, 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 pop.
Oh no, but this price action today has put me to sleep. I'm bored. Is there any flow coming in? GLW.
Corning.
What's it trading at? 154. So they're buying in the money calls for Friday.
They report
About $4 million worth of 141s.
they report next Tuesday.
Wow, this thing took a turn. I have a sell signal on the daily on Wednesday, July 1st. I didn't realize it pulled
Yeah.
back that hard.
Did you see the weekly on this?
Oh yeah.
That's what we call a blow off top.
PDD.
And look, somebody tried to short the lows on NQ, and they're getting absolutely ram trucked right now. Do we see the taco soon? What's he gonna taco on?
Let's talk about it.
I don't know if you want tacos. Apparently there's some kind of lettuce problem.
Yeah, there's like a huge freaking virus going around. If you eat
Oh,
a
yeah.
Taco Bell, you get their vegetables. Good thing I get the grilled cheese burrito because there ain't no veggies in that thing.
I guess my chalupas have lettuce, and the Crunchwrap has lettuce. 2 weeks, I'm getting Taco Bell. Yes. It's a parasite from Mexico. Yeah, that's what you get. I got lettuce in my fridge. It's fine.
Hey,
Hey,
How are ya? Frank Delaney here.
Frank Delaney, you want to buy a condo? I just muted you again, Frank. Just let me know when you're back. 2 hot mics on Frankie today. Let's go.
BLTR. Busting. Yeah, new highs with volume.
Palantir.
I think Palantir can be a good swing. I've tried it once. It started to go, came back. I still think she could try.
I see it.
This daily just needs to break over this freaking top.
Watch me unravel. I'll soon be naked. Lying on the floor. What was the SpongeBob one?
Coin's trying to.
The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time.
One with a collar.
Turtleneck.
That's the kind. 'Cause when you're wearing
That one
special sweater. Yeah, Coin has like an inverse daily head and shoulders kind of look to it. This thing's been consolidating for the entire month of July so far. I hate trading it. It's in a squeeze as well. It's in day number 3. MACD's positive, RSI's moving up during the consolidation. I just hate trading Coinbase. But there is potential. I'd rather trade Palantir for the breakout setup versus coin. Palantir's in a weekly squeeze that's been moving downside, but it's taking so long, and now the MACD's trying to flip bullish this week now. So I think at some point between now and Friday, we continue to see a little bit of strength on Palantir over these highs. 136 up to 140. Weekly squeeze can fire. Start sending this thing back up to 150, 156, 160. Yeah. IREN took like a line of cocaine this morning out of the gate.
Yeah,
Still-
what the hell?
I don't fucking know what's up with that stock. I mean, if you look at IREN on the daily, it's not surprising. Look where it bounced at. I mean, that's what we call a dumpster diver setup, though. Like, just zoom out, look left at that bottom right there. It's just the same spot that hit back in December of 2025, March of this year, and now it hit it again. Anywhere down there in the low 30s, just nice pop right off of it.
You know what sucks? That was short. IREN was one of my picks for the week for the competition that we do. The competition ends today at the close. So I was up 16%. Now I'm down.
I don't even know what I'm up in this thing.
Dude, if you weren't always busy in the afternoons, you would like that show. 2 tickers for a week. I think you would do really well, actually.
I'd be down.
You should come. 5 p.m.
What time?
tonight. 5 p.m. on Mondays.
Oh shit.
So I was saying is you're like always busy.
Definitely at 5. So our daddy's got to get dinner started. My portfolio is slightly green today for the challenge.
Dude, I forgot to pick my stocks last night. So it gave me the same ones as before, I think.
I picked them the other day, but I actually changed them this morning. Oh. Elf, new high of day.
Well, it's about to hit the 200 day.
Yeah, I want to see if it can
The Ulta
Flag.
maybe?
flag out here and get a little move up.
I heard something on shoes earlier. I think they had a price target upgrade. On's
Have
got
you-
a nice consolidation trying to break upside.
You know what the strongest chart in this entire stock market is?
Which one?
Very sexy.
Victoria's Secret?
Mm-hmm. Very sexy. Look, it's just look at it. Look at this thing. I mean,
Oh.
just
Long lingerie, huh?
yeah, just look at this thing. Thing gapped up on earnings, huge, and is still holding. Just wanting to make new all-time highs. Just continuing to
All they
run.
needed to do was change the ticker, huh?
Very sexy. Figma.
Oh. You ever type something in the wrong group chat like 3 times a day?
You ever type something meant for your wife, but you send it to your mom?
No.
Starts a whole freaking battle because you told her to shut the fuck up. It's just, gosh. You gotta be like, oh, I'm sorry, mom. I didn't mean to say that to you.
That wouldn't matter with my mom. My mom would be mad if I said that to anybody.
Nope. Fig could be trying to break this trend line right here on the weekly.
You ever send something to your wife instead of your girlfriend? Would know what that's like, sir. Ooh, VG does look kind of decent. TRV, what's TRV? Travel? Oh, traveler. Good God. Insurance stocks, man.
Except for Progressive. PGR just knifed.
Oh, earnings.
Yeah. Look at the daily. Just straight.
Look at the week. Look at the week.
Yeah. It stalled after the earnings drop, but yeah.
But it's sitting on the 50-day and 100-day, or 200-day, though.
Freaking gnarly. I don't know. Elf, I feel like if you're going to trade Elf, you kind of just need a lot of time.
We're trying to break back up to the middle, huh? QQQ is at VWAP, so is SPY, so is IWM. Even Apple's curling off the low.
The only red mags right now are Tesla and Apple. And then let me check the orb dashboard indicator. Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, and SPY are underneath their orb. Meta and Microsoft are the only two Mag 7s that are above orb. Google, Amazon, and QQQ are still within their orb.
What a slow, boring day.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be like this for
till Wednesday night.
Yeah, I'm expecting similar price action tomorrow, unless we see some kind of crazy headline overnight to move the market a little bit. But I wouldn't expect any different price action tomorrow.
Jordan just rolled in with the sunglasses. Okay. I'm about to go make breakfast myself. Tell me you got a burrito in your hand. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
What's in that burrito, sir?
Big old thick boy burrito. Everything they had. You see the
Pastor, everything on it. Pastor, refried beans, everything on it.
Yeah.
What is everything?
Spiciest salsa they have. Extra spicy salsa to make it as spicy as possible. about to light it up. Light it up. If my nose was stuffed, let me tell you, in about 5 minutes, it's about to
Oh, dude, there's nothing better than when you have a stuffy nose and you just get some really spicy food,
a little horseradish or something.
and then go take a hot shower.
Yeah, look at Vol DQ and tell me that the market's going to move today.
Well, so that's what I looked at. I was like, okay,
We're not going nowhere.
Vol D has just made a new high of day. Vol DQ, it's positive. It was negative, but it's just in the middle. Pretty nice looking 10-minute off the low, though. Hot shower and a cold beer. I mean, I like a good shower beer. I feel like it's a solid thing. Depends. Just get done like mowing the lawn. Shower beer. It's a good one. Jordy Raw Dog in the big one. Yeah, he is. Bro, if you eat a burrito in a shower,
That's crazy. I was
you are
the guy that eats the oranges in the shower.
What?
Yeah, dude. Were you not here for that conversation that day?
Why would
best,
you
dude.
eat an
It's the best.
orange?
It's the best because like usually you're worried when you're peeling it, when you're eating it, you're worried about like the juice getting everywhere and getting all sticky. When you're in the shower, dude, you just enjoy that orange like an animal, dude. Like a lion was eating an orange. How would he eat it, bro? He just fucking sink his teeth in it. Juice would go flying all over. He don't gotta worry about it. The water just washes it right off. You just enjoy it like the animal you are, bro.
That's crazy.
Bro, there ain't no
telling you,
animals
I'm
eating
telling you.
oranges.
I make
Telling
more of
you,
a mess.
it'll change your.
The lion is a carnivore.
I make more of a mess eating a fucking taco than I do an orange. Does that mean I'm gonna go eat my taco in the shower because it's just gonna wash everything off?
Do it with a steak. Do it with whatever you want. But the orange is the
I got
best
this
because
for
it's
Jordan.
refreshing and it's fruity.
For his oranges.
Are you wearing a bib?
This is for your oranges.
No,
Yeah, that's
I don't need
Sounds
that
like
because
you
I
need
eat
it.
it in
I'm gonna
the
send you a
shower.
3-pack. Just send you a 3-pack of fucking bibs.
I don't want those.
I don't want it. No.
Guys, like I can't eat normally, so I got to eat in the shower so I don't make a mess.
Who the fuck?
I can eat an orange just fine, but it's very nice to just let it.
Literally
go.
tried to say, oh, you know, like a lion. Just, dude, please show
Yeah.
me a lion tearing into an orange.
Under a waterfall
tearing
because
into a
he's
sword.
worried about getting his nails dirty.
in a
Same
river
thing.
because he doesn't want to get a little juice on his mane.
Same thing.
Bro, the lion is getting gazelle blood all over his fucking hair. He doesn't care.
True. But
Dude, that's-
we're not exactly a lion, so I want to be able to wash off and
Don't
get clean.
backtrack on it now.
No, I want to be able to be clean, but I want to be able to just eat it and not let loose and just not worry about it, you know? And it's nice.
Oh my gosh.
The people that have tried it understand, and all you other people can fucking suck. You can suck shit. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you.
If I do suck shit, I'm gonna do it in the shower so I clean
can-
off.
Shit, dude. Literally.
Oh my
I'm gonna send you some dude wipes, man. Just so you can clean up your
I have
orange.
packs of them. They're great.
Dude wipes are actually low key like a cheat code.
It's liberating. It is.
Crazy work.
Waffles.
Mm.
Jordan, are you also one of the people that has to get completely nude whenever they have to take a shit?
No, that's weird. I'll
Dude.
subscribe to that thought.
Just
I don't
kinda
subscribe to that
he's
thought
just in there
process.
sweating. He's just wiping sweat.
Yeah, you ever
No,
you
I
ever
don't- I
had
don't
a
subscribe to
friend? You
that
ever had a
thought
friend or
process.
somebody who was like that, dude? It's so freaking weird.
can't say I have. That's crazy.
I remember I used to work at the car dealership, and I'm sorry if he's ever listening to this stream. I highly doubt it, but his name's Elijah, and he would say he'd go eat lunch every day.
Wow.
Yeah, dude, he would go get Popeyes. He would just go get anything for lunch all the time. And I swear, every time after lunch, he was funny. He would run like holding his ass, like, "Oh, I gotta take shit," and he'd be gone for 20, 30 minutes. And then one day, one of the guys noticed that he constantly has to go take a shit after lunch, and he's gone for a long time. And he said, well, it takes me a while. He was like, because I got to get undressed and then dressed again. And we are like, what the fuck did you just say? And he said, yeah. He said, I don't shit with my clothes on. He said, I got to get undressed. I'm like, that's a thing? Like, what? He's like, yeah. He's like,
That's crazy.
he's like, sometimes I'll leave my socks on.
That's wild.
He was like, but he was like, no. He was like, you get undressed. You take off your shoes. You take off your pants, your underwear. I'd imagine he probably took off his shirt, but that seems kind of stupid because that's not really getting in the way of you taking a shit. But
You work up a big sweat.
you could use the shirt while it's still on to like wipe your forehead if you're really in there power pushing or something. But
power potion.
you know, that's what the metal poles are in the stalls. You know that, right? You know when you go into a bathroom stall and they got the metal bars on the side? That's for you to grab onto and start fucking power pushing. That's what those
Yeah,
are.
dude.
made
If
there
there's
for.
not any guardrails in there, like, wait to the house.
Look, Dave said his brother has to take his shirt off. Fucking why? Tell your brother he's stupid. Why does he have to take his shirt off to take a shit?
Wall Street Journal just put out a report on
So weird.
somebody dying in the Middle East. American service members that were killed. Something about prefabricated housing units. I don't know. I didn't hear the full headline.
Loud explosions at U.S. bases. Is that a headline's about to come out right now, DSTL?
I saw that one a couple minutes ago.
Okay.
Do you pee with cheeks out at the urinal? Whoa. Whoa. Dude, I actually had a buddy in
Right
high
next,
school.
right next to you, sitting down to piss, little Timmy boy. All right.
It's funny.
I had a buddy from high school that he would do that when we were like in I don't know, college age, 20 something. He would like go in a public place, especially if we were like at a big sport, like a football game or something.
That's crazy.
Dude, he would go to like we'd be like at a football stadium, and he would go in there and he would just drop it. He'd drop it all the way down at the fucking urinal. It was the funniest thing. Can you imagine just being at a urinal, especially like the old stadiums and like the trough all the way across, and he just walks up and just drops all the way down. Just clear it out. I mean, that's what my kids do, but they're kids, and I take them in the stall. I don't let them do it in the urinal.
All of this weird shit started because Jordan's over here eating oranges in the shower, comparing it to a lion eating a.
I don't want to hear shit until you tried it. Oranges in the shower, fucking elite. I don't want to hear shit until you tried it. If you
No, it's
tried it
not.
and say I hated that experience,
How?
I'll accept it.
How aggressively do you eat oranges to where you have no choice but to eat them in the
Aggressively, I like to
shower?
get the big
Just
dog
eat them
ones.
at
I
a
like to get the
table.
big ones, and I like to get a few of them, and I like to sit there and just fucking, just grab the motherfuckers like full force and just like.
I think this could be
You
an
know?
episode for Jordan on that TV show called My Weird Obsession.
Yeah, I think you need to put this on
I
your
have
Tinder
multiple
profile,
people
bro.
tell me
This
over the
this should
weekend
be in
that I
your
need
Tinder
to-
bio.
Well, that's okay. Multiple people have been telling me you need to. Go
I'll
and
tear
look
that
at it.
ass up
I'm
like I tear
yeah.
up oranges in the
Dude,
shower.
I will
girl.
put you
got
in the
no
shower
idea.
and just get all in there. Ah.
No, only me and my oranges are allowed in the shower. No one else.
Break it down.
There's
That's
volume
unbelievable.
behind this
That's
candle
good.
right now on IWM and Spy.
To be fair, the first time I did it, I wasn't even stoned. I was on shrooms, so that plays into it for sure. But it's a phenomenal experience sober as well. Can confirm.
2 oranges and a banana. Oh no. Oh, no.
I feel like
No,
I would get
bananas-
more juice dripping from an apple than I would
Mm-mm.
an orange. Because
No,
an
I'm
apple,
not.
it's a little bit firmer. It drips out the sides.
Have you ever had the blood oranges, the red ones?
Mm-hmm.
They're pretty good.
No, I haven't. Now I want to try one though.
You should. They're good. Don't get in the shower with it though. Just eat it like a normal human. Maybe make some orange juice with it.
Military said I jumped back into the live stream at the wrong time. Imagine reading the chat but not being on live stream. How confused you must be.
Yeah,
Probably
you'll be
five
dripping
shit,
tons of
five
juices, Casey. If you came into the chat right now. I guess they're called blood oranges. I don't know what they're called in English.
Let's get AI involved in this real quick.
Oh boy. To take a picture of Jordy right now, just chewing and just put orange juice, put a shower behind him. That'd be an epic meme.
Let's see what Chat GPT says.
Yeah, Jordan, does this work for other fruits too? Like, are you just
It depends. They should be like juicy, like maybe a pear, maybe a plum would be great. A
Plum?
would be phenomenal.
Oh man.
Plum would be phenomenal.
Oh Jordan. Okay, I gotta ask you this one
I
question.
will try.
All right. Do you get the water directly on your orange from your shower head?
No, like obviously, like there's gonna be residual water that kind of like maybe little droplets that like end up going there. But no, I'm
And you're
not
taking
sitting
a
there with the
hot
orange.
and you're
No,
taking a
no.
hot shower though.
yeah,
Sure,
this is a
but
hot
I'm
or
not
cold shower?
I'm not standing with the orange in my hand directly under the water. Like I'm keeping
know
that
if
out
I
of the water for
I don't
sure.
know if I want hot water on my orange.
It's not. That's what I'm saying. If I was standing under it, then yeah, it would be. But I'm not. Like I'm not doing that.
So you're facing outward. You're just
Mangoes too. Mango, you gotta cut it though. No, yeah. I can grab an orange.
no, you don't.
Open.
Mango, you tear into that thing. Mango's got to be the messiest one.
All right. I asked Chat GPT, I said, hey, my friend eats an orange in the shower. Is that weird or what could be wrong with him? And the response said, nothing is necessarily wrong with him, while eating an orange in the shower is actually surprisingly common, quirky habit. The steam enhances the smell of the orange, making it taste and smell stronger. It
I
can
didn't
be
realize
messy. Yeah, right? We're learning. It's messy,
learning.
and the shower is the easiest place to deal with the juice, the peel, and the sticky hands. Some people say it's relaxing. Treat it as a small self-care ritual. There's also a
Yes.
full internet community dedicated to this habit, which is called shower oranges.
I heard that. You guys brought that up the last time we talked about this. I didn't know
Yeah.
about that either.
So this is where it gets good because Jordan even said this, and this is where I'm going to tell ChatGPT something else to continue this conversation. But then they ended with, that said, most people consider this unusual simply because it's not a typical place to eat your orange, blah, blah, blah. Then ChatGPT says, now, if he says eating a steak in the shower, this is where we can start asking him some tougher questions. So Jordan did mention, if just eat your steak in the fucking shower. So
I
I'm going to
said
tell.
if you wanted to, I'm never gonna do that. Eating steak in the shower sounds horrible.
So
I
he
mean, if you
then
want to,
said,
go for it.
yes, eating a steak in the shower would be fine as well.
Dude, I need
So
ChatGPT to like back me up on
Say
something.
I
'cause
prefer it that way,
Gaslighting
actually.
is
So
crazy.
is he weird now? Let's say. At this point, I'd say that he's crossed from quirky into committed into the bit of being weird. So, yeah. Oh, now the real question is he eating the steak in the shower with his hands, or did he bring a knife and a fork?
Hands
into
like
the
a
shower.
fucking animal. What?
No. Using his hands to eat the steak in the shower.
Hey guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find a shower, and I'm gonna throw these at the first person I see using one of these in the
Go
shower.
enjoy. Go get liberated.
No, I'm gonna throw these at some doofus eating one in the shower.
You're just mad at life, bro. Honestly, that just sounds like a hater that's mad at life that fucking spends energy hating, bro.
Dude,
It sounds tired,
tell me you
bro.
look at these and say, I need to be in the shower to enjoy this.
I don't. No, I don't say that. But it's much better. I don't need to be in the shower to enjoy an orange. No, that would be ridiculous. But would I rather be in the shower to enjoy a delicious, juicy, magnificent orange? Yes, absolutely. Every fucking time.
Says using your hands to eat a steak in the shower is somehow both better and worse. It's better. It's better because he doesn't have to balance the plate and the steak knife in the shower while eating it. It's worse because now he's just standing under the running water holding a wet steak like a caveman. So on the weird scale, it's a 3 out of 10 to eat an orange in the shower, and it's a 9 out of 10 to eat your steak in the shower. If he starts telling you that he starts seasoning his steak with the shampoo, it's time for an intervention.
Interesting data.
Jordan's armed forces intercepted 3 missiles launched from Iran. Oil's getting a little pop here too, by the way. Maybe that's what maybe we get some kind of something that breaks us down here. We're still just holding the same area.
Wow. Another just giant burrito.
Yeah, it's in my earlobe right now.
Yeah, I fucking deleted it. It's gone. She's gone.
Michelle said her middle son just asked her if she can help him get fully naked so he can go take a shit.
She's all right.
He heard Casey trades. No way.
Somebody said, "Can we talk about the market?" One, no, I have no positions. I don't think any of us have any positions in the middle of this chop. I think Everly might be long right now. So,
Can you hear that?
I heard
Dude, I
that.
think it's fucking amazing. I'm just waiting for this gap to get filled. Like I'm not
Yeah.
gonna short it because it's literally right there.
It's on. It could be support here, but if it breaks down to the gap fill to a little bit lower,
But look at that previous 30-minute on SPY. Look at your hourly back test rejection so far. Like it, SPY's 30-minute and 1 hour don't look good.
looks like a big. Whoever said it in the chat earlier, looks like a big old bear flag is correct. The problem I have is there's like nothing really below us on anything. Let's see if ES does. There's not a ton of positioning on either side. I mean, it's definitely not a long right here right now. Unless you're just playing the range, but Lower highs into this. Immediate sellers just came in. Looks like it's going to break, and then we can long it back up to the back test,
I just want to
or break and short the back test.
take a quick short for a day trade just to get the edge off or something. I don't know. Do SPY 735s for Friday.
And those book map orders just filled. 119.
Are they going to bust it down, Tatiana? Or just slowly chop this thing eventually lower to fill this gap?
SPX is like 2 points away. 3 points away.
You got some gamma building above you. Now you got 700 above you on Qs. SPX, let's see. 7480 was your ceiling. 7450 is kind of your full target-ish downside if we can fill this fucking gap. That's where I'd like to try a long.
I mean, I've got 2 green accounts. I've got $1,500 of profit. I'm going to be very picky before I do anything else. Good old July trading. Good old pre-earnings season, July. No macro data. 3 missiles that slipped through air defenses highlights challenges in protecting an estimated 50,000 U.S. troops in the region. That was the Wall Street Journal earlier.
Well. Two choices to make. I can sit here and watch this price action, do nothing, and be bored out of my mind, or I have to go see my kids.
Ugh.
Tough one.
Is there a third option?
Tough one. They already went to the pool. They went to the pool like 3 hours ago. They just got back like 30 minutes. That's why you can hear them now, because they're home. Yeah, PLTR new high day. Is there
excessive heat warning in Arkansas right now? Ooh, gross.
I know. We've got it here too. It's freaking hot and humid.
98 in the shade.
Oh, shit, it's not that bad here. Oh, your 140 is growing on Palantir. Yeah, Fig just got some flow too.
Let's see where I'm at. It is 79. High of 81, low of 56. Same as every day.
I wouldn't be opposed to trying to swing this one. Ooh, look at that little upper wick and slam. Fuck it. I gotta do something.
I'm waiting on it to break down so then I can try to long somewhere. Problem is there's like no orders even below us. Like
It's like a freaking 40, 50 point rejection.
just go like 10 points lower on SPX maybe.
What's IWM doing? Nothing.
No, I mean we're sitting on IB low right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I talked about the game a little bit. Not a ton, or not a ton to talk about. Spain front to back, but just especially defensively, one of the best defenses I think I've ever seen. Played incredibly. Gave up 1 goal the entire tournament. Here's your gap fill. All right, so 850, they're starting to stack up some orders. SPY SPX just filled the gap. Is that the gap fill? Almost, basically.
Oh, there we go. We're gonna bust it down, fill the gap. A few more cents. Do you think CMG might be able to base out somewhere in this area a little bit lower? Ugh. I mean, I think there's 1,000 other charts that are so much better than CMG. think their options suck too. It broke daily trend line. There we go.
There's the flusher. There's the gap fill. Getting close to an overextended tick.
There we go. There we go. Q still has plenty of room for it to fill its gap, though.
Yeah.
But here's 74.50 on SPX.
I kind of want a long right here. I just don't have enough. It like wasn't enough, you know? I would not be surprised to see that be a big bounce, though. Should just long DS right there.
Somebody did.
This volume is just so. Oh my God. I wish Jordan was here. Look at my screen.
Who posted that?
Oh, Bobby.
Oh my God.
Oh God, I hope Jordan's sitting right there just watching this in the middle of recording something else.
He's gonna turn his camera back on. He's gonna be like, "Yo, what the fuck?"
God, Bobby, this is awesome.
It should be his new profile picture.
Dang, I was gonna go make food and they decided to try to break this down right when I was gonna go make some food.
Urgent repeated flow on USO 140 calls. USO is ripping oil, pumping.
It's the other reason I don't just love getting long. His intro slide for them at the summit. Like, nobody is more excited about a slightly green day than the Bear of Wall Street. Lord of Wall Street is so pumped. But when you say, like, you make these comments, though, there's no recovery from this. There's literally been a recovery every time in the history of the market. People said the same thing. There was no recovery from this back in March. Literally, everyone said the exact same thing. All the structure's broken, and then all it did was reclaim and just rip faces. So, ooh. Yeah, I'm glad you got that worked out, though. Oh, for today? For today, like I said, it could break down and then kind of bounce back to the same area, which it just kind of did, basically. I mean, SPY's 50-day is like right here. You wonder if they like try to make it close right back above it. Where is it? Right there, 743, like 45. Jordan, did you see your oh, that's a good one too, Izzy. Jordan, did you see the what Bobby posted?
No.
Oh, it's on X. I already put it on the screen. You weren't here.
What the fuck?
Yes.
Bro, it fucked up my teeth.
It fucked up my teeth. That's what you're concerned about?
Yeah, my teeth don't look like that. It did get the collarbone and like the shoulder pretty fucking on point though.
Yeah, never mind. I'm like, never mind. I like you. I almost just went in on you for no reason. I just stopped myself. No reason to do that.
Bruh.
Still gotta wait on this to just go lower. I'm gonna go make some food.
It's so over for the sevens. Yeah, bro, it's over.
Lord of Wall Street, if it's over for the Mag 7s,
dude.
you need to sell everything you own.
Yeah, bro, you better sell it all.
Sell everything.
Sell it all.
It's so over for the Mag 7s. I'm just gonna leave this chart right here and go make some food. It's so over. This chart's so bearish.
Not yet. Not yet. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Oh, I need to do 8 more deliverables. All right, dude. They didn't know I was a savage with it.
Tesla new low of day.
Ooh. Rough. Mm.
God, a lot of names haven't even moved today. INTC hasn't done a damn thing. ARM hasn't done anything. SNDK.
Majority. They're like not horrible. Nvidia's down 1.14%. We've been going back and forth. We were green, but that flipped red. Google's still green, barely. And then my other portfolio, AVGO, is still green. Tesla's getting smoked, but I placed that as a kind of hedge portfolio, so I don't mind if one side gets real smoked. It's all just like gamified anyway and fun. What are the other ones though? I'm in 2 others. It's going to be the same percentages, but I also have Google and Nvidia for the Beast Traders tournament, and then the Rookie Arena tournament, the 1-day tournament. I'm also in that one, the same fix. What's the leaderboard look like? The guy that's in first right now is up 44% today. That's gnarly. Yeah.
What he put his portfolio in?
Let's see.
Does it tell you?
I
Like the
think
picks of other people?
his portfolio right now.
That's insane.
Do I have to follow him? I'll follow him. I don't think I can see his picks right now.
That's crazy. Dude, his global rank.
21 tournaments.
Dude, his global rank, he's number 16 globally.
Yeah, bro. See, that's the thing. Like, fuck, dog.
What?
I'm always going to be trading one of these Mag 7 tickers. These fuckers are always going to, like, trade circles around me.
Yeah, I don't think it tells you.
No, I can't see it. Tried to follow the guy.
Oh, wait. Yeah, you can. There you go.
Where?
And under his name and the percentage, it says view portfolio. Just click on that.
Oh, there it is. He's in TXG and he's down right now.
Yeah, so whatever one he was up, he sold. Because he only has 3 now.
That's what everybody does.
Well, no, he only has 2 now. So let me check. I mean, it wasn't TXG. That wasn't a winning stock earlier. So he had that and something else, but he sold them. But it doesn't tell you what it was.
Dude, like, these guys that fucking kill it in the tourneys like this, they gotta be making some crazy money if they're actually trading too. Holy shit.
All of them sold whatever they were holding. The top guys.
Yeah. Oh, give me a start the first ever futures competition on there.
Yeah, a lot of people
Props to these guys though, dude, that are finding these like random tickers that are just blasting off. It's awesome.
SPX gap filling long? Or is it just going to consolidate and make a bear flag so Q's can fill its gap? I think Q's wants to go lower. I think IWM does as well.
Still slow grinding down.
We're going to see 740.8, 39.50 on SPY.
Oh, I'm trying to make food and they want to actually get down to where I'm thinking about long.
Mm-hmm.
Damn it, don't do it. Don't do it yet.
I think they're going to do it. $30 says timber. Squeeze downside. I think she's screaming for help.
There you go. Crush it, crush it, crush it. Hurry up, hurry up. SPX is still sitting on the level though.
Mm-hmm. Man, it's just IWMQs look like they want to drop a little bit lower.
have to leave some buy orders.
Just got an alert on NVIDIA. Downside, pre-market low, almost full cap fill here. IWM getting some volume.
All right, all right. There wasn't a Trump. There was a Trump tweet about ending the war and resolution. When was that? This is what I saw. Because we were gonna kill more of their people. This is what I saw. By we, I mean
What time did that one come out?
10:40. My
Oh, that was hours ago.
yeah. I didn't see a resolution tweet anywhere. Oh shit. Too much hot sauce.
You can never have too much hot sauce.
Oh, I beg to differ. Too much sauce.
Everything's still kind of slow and stalling though across the board. Nothing's really getting
I feel like it could hold like right here.
any move.
But it doesn't. Holding here doesn't give me an opportunity.
Except for Tesla.
NVIDIA 2025 is support. Unless you ask Lord of Wall Street, then $100 is support on NVIDIA. God.
Is that 370 on Tesla? It is.
That vehicle, we are
Well, I'm bored. Got some volume coming in now.
I'm over here talking to nobody. You're right on the spot where Gamma would flip on QQQ. And you're at this 450, 7450 SPX. If it's going any lower than here, then it does go negative Gamma. Damn it, I rushed back just for them to not finish. I put way too much hot sauce because I was in a hurry. I do want to say shout out to our Power Hour sponsors, Direction ETFs. You've probably heard of a lot of these. They have all kinds of different stuff. Go to direction.com. Appreciate them sponsoring the show. You've probably heard of SOXL, SOXS. If you're Lord of Wall Street, SOXS should be all over your radar. 3X leverage bearish semiconductors. Full list on here. Please go in. Make sure you read the prospectus and summary prospectus. Obviously, an investment in these things does have risk, including possibility of losing your entire investment. Please do your own due diligence. But shout out to our Power Hour sponsors, Direction ETFs. Go to direction.com. Check them out.
Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. I wish I had my soundboard. That'd be going off. Miss that thing. Flying home this weekend.
I should have shorted that 5-minute 9 back test real quick. Because if we crack this low now, it's probably going to flush.
God, I am flushing this food. There we go, new lows.
Boom, boom.
ES looks way worse.
Yeah.
IWM looks like I could play some catch up.
It's funny too, because I mean, actually, it makes sense. NQ's been the weaker one overall. We finally took out those monthly lows. Now it's acting better than ES. It actually makes sense. It took out those big lows, and ES hasn't. And I don't know if ES would trade all the way down there though. That would be interesting. We'll see.
I'm on fire, boys. Oh,
Fireball.
that's exactly what I just thought of. That song. Fireball. Oh. I'm keeping an eye on this book map right here.
I short a shitload of MNQ on one account. I just got done locking some in. I just put a stop at entry on the rest.
$760s I'll trail on. But we're gonna hit 1,000 negative tick right here going into 800.
Look at that. Minus 1,000 tick just came in on that.
Yeah,
Look at
come on,
that.
flush it. Flush it.
I
Keep
ain't seen
going.
that in a minute. When's the last time we saw a minus 1,000 tick? Whew.
Don't make me do it here.
Dude, Q still has like $2-3 more downside for its gap. They're just not making the flush easy. It's just slow move down to it.
Ooh, there's still some. Probably need to go finish the move, clear out the rest of these orders, and see if it can get long from yesterday's close. Or you just try it right here and then try it again if it goes lower. I got you, Frankie.
Any orders below like 28,750 or anything? 880?
Not really.
Nothing either way.
There's nothing, yeah, really either direction. There's still a little bit that it's all small size, but they tossed on down at like 780s.
Oh, IWM. Oh, whoa.
Oh, that looks headline.
Oh, headline.
It looks like a headline. IWM, that's got to be, that's, ooh.
That candle instantly just started going down.
Is there a headline? I mean, that would be like a Fed headline or something. Unless IWM just huge volume trying to hold it low of day.
I don't know if they want to hold it. 15-minute squeeze wants to send it lower. 30-minute on IWM. Ooh. New low of day.
It's weird because SPX and SPY are not moving.
Yeah, it was just IWM that got hit and that candle instantly just went red.
Don't bounce right here off 800. Damn it, I had orders here too originally. Hot sauce got me all messed up. Come on. Damn it. Watch this thing just go all the way back. Doesn't look very bouncy to me, but yeah, there's just nothing above us really. See if they start stacking up some orders.
Some Palantir. More calls coming in.
Here she goes, maybe. Is this the pivot point from Friday? Yeah. Yeah, they're trying to get this thing down to 780s. They're like trying to bait me into this long right here. The gap fill is actually not a strong probability.
On Qs,
Yeah.
I don't think it fills today. I don't think there's enough time for it to fill unless, I mean, shit really just started to fall apart for whatever reason. But I was looking for a SPY in SPX and for SPX to get down here to 74.50 with the gap fill. But I don't know if Qs can.
Motive Wall Street is betting that we hit the 200-day moving average by September. That is almost 8% lower than where we are today.
That's not bad. Yeah, I could see that happen. By September, 8% down from now to then.
Yeah. Wouldn't even be a bear market. I think it's a long right here. As soon as somebody says that kind of stuff, it seems to always be a long.
It's looking like it wants to hold.
Mink's over in the X chat all by herself. I'm gonna laugh if this just runs back 100 points off a tweezer right here, all the way back to IV low.
We got 30 minutes left. Yeah.
Oh, I can't chase it. They might as well finish the gap fill, right?
I'm no longer short, but I wish I still was because I think it can go a little bit lower. But the bounce stopped out the rest.
I'm so tempted to go longer here.
At minus 1,000 tick, I should have freaking.
That's the only reason why I like considered it. You had that, and you have this level. And statistically, we shouldn't go trade red today.
SPY's red, IWM is red, QQQ is still slightly green.
Yeah, that's what. The gap up was big enough that it's unlikely that you fill it. You can, it's just more probability that you don't.
Yeah.
I would rather this not be a bounce spot. There's not a whole lot I can do right here.
I think if they don't fill the gap before market closes, I think we still trade lower to where that gap is after hours. Because my 30-minute on QQQ right now for the squeeze, everything is signaling for this thing to fire downside. I just don't think it's going to fire in time to send Qs down to 394.35 before end of day. Once the market closes. Oh, volume.
Oh.
Oh.
Tell me we're not getting a headline. Tell me we're not getting a headline. Tell me we're not getting a headline.
No fucking way. Volume.
What is this? What's
Oh my god, look at the volume on SPY coming in.
Tell me
Another
there's no
headline?
here. Gotta be a headline.
Dude, you should have hit the fucking long.
I did hit the long.
Did you? I'd be selling the shit out of it right now. Like, ah! Even chasing it back up to like 830. Fuck, that was like a freaking 45 point ripper, like quick.
Axios.
See? That's what makes me think they don't want to fill this gap. I kind of want to sell it back down right there. At retest of 870s.
Talks between both countries are continuing per Axios.
I guess that's more bullish than bearish news.
What the hell? Where's my oil? It's only right that we short oil too, right?
Might just.
Does anybody believe Axios though? I don't. But if they want to move the market on these stupid Axios headlines, I'll do it. The market's like, I don't know if I believe you, but maybe I'll cover some shorts because we're at support.
Elf, another new high briefly. That's a strong daily candle.
Nice oil dump. Yes. Oh! As soon as I
Hey,
had
what's the
read it.
news?
Big old flush there.
Is there some news?
Axios headline.
Fuck me.
Still, countries are still talking.
What's that?
Countries are still talking.
Oh,
Talks are still happening.
Oh, okay. The MOU is back in force. Are we gonna fucking rip here?
I don't know. Sit down. Put a
In
lip
the
pillow in.
money.
Got a headline.
In the money
Or
Tesla
oil?
calls coming in.
Look at this candle on oil. I shorted right here. Yeah. Yank it. Probably a good stop and profit decision right here. Come on, give me the 21, 21, 21. Rugged oil, rugged, rugged. Come on, get out of your shorts.
Microsoft's still holding up decent.
About to find out if this is just a bear flag EMA backtest.
They might just pin it, slow it down now until MOC.
Oh, we are getting close. Ooh, they're gonna stop me out. Maybe. Yeah, this looks rough. Just like your mother likes it, Trebek. Anybody ever watch that Celebrity Jeopardy thing from SNL back in the day?
Oh my god.
Oh, rough. Just like your mother likes it, Trebek.
God, I wish I would have got filled on that freaking SPX Iron Condor. I would have left my desk hours ago. Elf getting more volume into the close. Stock's almost up 8% now, coming up to the top of that flag.
We're still alive. Still alive. Look at these bottom wicks.
Yeah, I'm debating on PLTR.
Just at such a weird spot in the indices, it's tough to want to like swing anything.
I know.
Why did Trump just sign executive order on defense something? Come on, rip. Rip it, Lotto, rip it.
Quick, someone get his ass another steroid.
Turn on.
Come on, give it to me.
Boop, boop, boop. Palantir, what, 160s for August?
There's a trim spot. Give me IB low. IB low. IB low. Send oil down. Give me 909. What's book? Ooh, 900 and 912. They are waiting. Hello, my. Hello, darkness, my old friend.
How expensive are elf options? Or how stupid are they? Oh, they're not too bad.
Ooh, MP is flying on that executive order. What's oil doing? Oil is almost back to where I entered.
I want the Palantir 150s and 60s for August.
Oh, there's your sellers on the 21. All right, well, I moved my stop up to break even. Locked in some monies.
A bunch of Microsoft calls coming in.
Come on, QQQ. You know you just want to go back to the NFP. Just turn the magnet on right here into close.
Yeah, they're out of the money. 435s for 828 expiration. Maybe 1 second. Unusual order just came in for 1,000 contracts at 11.1. So they spent $1.11 million. It's a block order.
Oh, there you go. Oil reject. Go down.
I think for earnings, Microsoft calls would be interesting. 405, 406 is a short spot. Got an SR flip zone right there. Apple just hit previous day low. Just got a red candle. Straight back down.
USAR, MP are the ones ripping on that executive order news. Reduced aluminium, for those that like to say it correctly.
Aluminum.
Aluminium. And the sound of silence. I love Disturbed's version of Sound of Silence.
So good.
There's even like an EDM version that's more recent that I kind of like too. Oh. They trying to reject, stop me out in profit. Don't do that. Stop. SPX is just rejecting previous day close, gap fill.
Yeah, I think so too.
They're gonna stop me out. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Well, Simon and Garfunkel on a Monday. Yeah, clicking buttons right here is a good way to give back a good day. I am pretty happy with where I clicked buttons, though.
Dude, they almost took me out the rest of my apples, and then they rejected the same spot again.
We got
daily
MOC.
signal's flipping.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh,
Double kill.
Let's go, Brent. W's, baby.
I like that. I like that. I like that right there. Back to break even on the day. Hot. Hot. Hot.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Now take another trade, give it all back, go all the way back in the red. And you can sing the song. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping.
Here comes M-O-C.
Rip it. Rip it. No! Stop me out. Damn it.
Holy Apple. The fuck is that candle?
Nvidia big sell, Apple big sell, Microsoft big sell, Amazon big sell, Avcode big sell. Oh God.
Google coming down. Amazon coming down. Everything getting red candles.
They're selling everything.
It's all sell side.
$2.5 billion to sell. NQ $2 billion to sell. Mag 7 $1 billion to sell. They are. It's a flash sell.
And we're just sitting on pre-market lows on QQQ.
Well, I am sitting on
Boring.
$2,300 in profit. That's what I'm sitting on. I hammered the log right there on that little news headline. 3 bottom wicks. I was like, surely we can get to the 21. Oh, nice little slurp in my ear right there.
Dude, I know. I mentioned it this morning.
No one gap fill this? We're getting a little gap filly?
Motherfucking Bay.
Aren't they getting bought out at $60 or something?
Dude, I don't fucking know.
Ooh.
But I think she wants to go higher.
I'm watching for this gap fill.
I don't think it fills in 8 minutes. I think they'll do it after hours. Well, you can't fill it after hours, but I think we'll close and then go down to that area. Freaking eBay, dude.
Lord of Wall Street is having an all-time day over here. And the Nasdaq's green and he's having an all-time bear day. You just rocked up. The market is sexually arousing me. Jesus. You're just an ETF that I used to know. Uh-oh.
Equal lows being tested.
Just watching to see if they got aggressive on anything when they close on the book map, and they are not.
We just went from 900 to 800, just like that.
Yeah.
But
you didn't have to cut me $744 of profit on this account.
Don't even need your love. I think Elf wants to hit 80. You feel so wrong. I mean, Ripper out of the gate and slow mover, but tell me this daily just doesn't look like it just wants to go.
Now
The
you're just
weekly
somebody
on
that I used to
90s.
know.
But you didn't have to cut me off. Contract's a little spready. How these move today? I'm curious. Alpha is about to hit 80. Oh my god. Oh.
Now you didn't have to go so low. Fill in the gap fill right there. Gap fill, gap fill, gap fill, gap fill. Oh, tell me not to do it. Tell me not to do it.
On what?
NQ NDX.
Oh. I want to see if this QQQ gap fill can hit.
We just hit
Doubt.
it on the NDX.
Yeah, Q's is still a little bit lower.
95.
I want to see it break under 694. There you go, Apple. Sell it back down. I guess I'm still swinging those ones.
Come on, flush, 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 flush. Flush.
Flush it, baby. Flush it.
Since we were bored, if I get approved on Lucid, how you take profits out, Ryan?
Go to payouts at the top. It'll tell you if you're eligible or not.
It'll tell you when you're eligible for payout, and then the first time you sign up, it takes like a day or two, and then after that, it's pretty freaking quick. Oh, they left the gap by how many points? IndieX hit it exactly.
So you can click on your funded account on Lucid, and once you're at day 5 out of 5, it'll tell you that your payout, and you also have to wait until end of the day. So today was your 5th day, and you technically can take a payout. You have to wait until the day is over. From I think last time I did, I had to wait till after 5 p.m. Eastern. So then like 7, 8 p.m. rolled around, it updated, and I was able to take the payout. It'll say it there on your account summary for your funded, but then also you have the payouts tab on the left side. You can click that and you'll see payout request. It should have your accounts right there telling you which ones are eligible for it.
But you didn't have to cut me off.
I don't know. That song's gonna be stuck in my head for like until tomorrow now.
And I don't even need your love. Now you didn't have to stoop so low. Wait, somebody is taking out their AirPods right now going, Jesus Christ.
I don't know if I want to swing anything else. It's all iffy. I don't know. I don't like it. Pineapples.
Pineapple Express? It was a good movie.
Mm.
It was super dumb, but it was a good movie.
I love that movie. Like when they're chasing. Is it who is it? It's James Franco, right? That plays in it.
It's what Seth Rogen and
James Franco, right?
I think so. Is that the guy's name? I'm not good at it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
James Franco and what's the other guy though? Damn it. Like Danny something. I'm not good at actors' names.
Craig Robinson funny in that one too.
Oh yeah.
But no, it's James Franco and Seth Rogen.
Yeah.
But I like when they're chasing. James Franco goes and visits his grandmother in the hospital or wherever it's at, nursing home, and they chase him there, and he grabs a coffee pot and freaking cracks Craig Robinson right across the face with it. It
Yeah.
shatters. Later on in the movie, when they capture Seth Rogen and James Franco and they take him back to the drug house, he's like, "I'm gonna kill that motherfucker." And he just starts screaming and hollering at him. He's like, "You're not gonna kill him. You gotta wait until Ted." Blah, blah, blah. Oh, there it is.
That did not fit. I like that. They were good on the
And his like face is all burned on the side. And he's like, "Look what he did to my face." And then he's like, "It looks like someone whacked you across the face with a fucking coffee pot, man."
Well, pretty good day.
Well, they held.
I just closed out my oil because I don't want to sit here in it for the next hour.
Still in my apples.
We really didn't do anything today.
Still think this market's going to Friday's high.
Friday's high? Oh, on futures.
220.
I always forget. 220.
Although I very much wanted to see
Dude.
that this morning.
Look at to the penny, Elf, $80 to the penny at the close. Great day.
Didn't have to cut me off. Damn it, Casey.
Oh, fuck.
Who was it in the chat?
Someone said SpaceX new low. What?
Yeah, right at the close, 119.68 is the-
No way, dude.
Yeah.
Let's go check SPCQ. I'm up 151%.
Damn. Dude, I don't even know what mine is.
I'm only holding 200 shares.
SPCQ.
We've already locked in like freaking 7 or 8 grand.
I am up 178%.
Let's go.
Ba-boom. Um.
Gosh dang, what a banger. Whoever put that in my head, I freaking hate you and love you at the same time.
It was somebody in the chat.
See you guys in EAM.
See you, Frankie.
Later, Frank.
Later, Frank.
Yeah, that is a ugly backtest rejection. But still above Friday's close. SPX not above Friday's close. Well, tomorrow, Charles Schwab, 3M, GM. This is DR Horton. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. After the close, IBKR, Capital One, Chubb. Wednesday, it's spicy. GEV, AT&T, Tesla, Google, ServiceNow, IBM, Texas Instruments. Love. Ahmet, where were you all day? I love the upside down question mark. Shout out. Ooh, Lucid has trading on their phone now?
What?
Lucid has a mobile app?
Lucid got a mobile app for me to trade futures on? What?
I don't think
Dangerous.
you can trade on it.
Oh.
I think it's just like a
I've
dashboard.
always just signed in a trading view on my phone.
Did I try to trade on Tradeovate on my phone a couple times? Rough. Rough.
Yeah.
Do not recommend. Good God, Lanto trades is down 388,000 this month.
Whoa.
That's nothing.
73,000 a day.
Just gonna say, dude makes apparently 7 figures some days. So I mean that's nothing.
He had a verified like 7-figure payout from somebody, I think.
Yeah, I mean he's made like $1 million in a day. I mean losing 300K in a day is nothing if you can make $1 million in a day.
Yeah. Oh, we are leaking lower. Thank God I didn't try the long. I'm on holiday at the Blue Flag, Revarded Beach.
Holiday?
Coast. Come over here. Yeah, it's midnight. I don't think I'm going to make it to the Turkish coast. I would love to make it there someday. I don't think I'm going to make it though. Ahmet. I am getting word that if you're not able to come to the event, like if you have a day job or whatever, you can't come during the day. I'm getting word you can register for the happy hour.
Ooh.
Just for the happy hour. All right. Shout out Direction, Power Hour sponsors, direction.com. Check out all their exchange traded funds or ETFs. A lot of 2x leverage, a lot of leverage stuff back and forth, different directions. You've probably already heard of a lot of them. Go check out the full lineup that they've got. Make sure you read the prospectus and summary prospectus on each one. Appreciate them, partner. What semiconductor? I remember these Titan ones. Titan ones I think I really like. We got a bunch of semiconductor ones. It's going to be really interesting during earnings season if you want to stay away from options. What are the Titan?
Great day.
I should have longed this one. TTXU. I remember when they came out with this, I was like, I like that one for trades. Daily Technology top 5. What are the current holdings? Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Broadcom, Micron. Okay.
MU's been a good one to have.
Yeah, but I'm looking for more. I want like a Microsoft, Google, Meta, maybe Apple. I want tech that's not part of SMH. That's what I think is going to outperform. All right. Great day. Oh, I had a great day. Hope everyone else did.
Great
Hope you stayed out of
day.
trouble. A lot of sitting around, a lot of talking today. It might be the most money that I've made on a day where I sat around and did nothing, but also made money. So, all right. Well, we've got stock picks. We have a show off the back of stock picks today. And what else do we have? I have to leave very quickly after that.
Heard that. Well, I guess we'll see the crew tomorrow. Join me on Spaces bright and early.
It's my mother-in-law's birthday.
Oh, nice.
Actually, my mother-in-law and my brother-in-law both have birthdays today, and my wife's best friend. 3 major birthdays today.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Go celebrate. Go enjoy.
All right. Hope everyone had a great day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. SpaceX to post Q2 earnings on August 4th.
Oh.
Later, guys.
Later.
See you tomorrow.